President Akufo-Addo says he will count on the support of all Ghanaians to turn the fortunes of the country around through education and job creation. He was addressing a durbar of chiefs and people in Gomoa West. Earlier, he inspected a 300-acre sweet potato farm and factory of CASA de ROPA Company Limited and a 20-megawatt solar farm also in the central region.
The second day of the president's working visit to the central region took him to Gomoa West, where he inspected a 300-acre orange-fleshed sweet potato farm and factory at Bewadze. The project falls under government's flagship One District, One Factory initiative. The factory started last year and is expected to begin operations early next year. About 2,000 youths are to be engaged in direct employment when it takes off. Taking the president round the facility, the CEO of the company, Mr. Ebenezer Obeng Bafo, said the factory is already producing fresh potatoes, bread, chips, rolls, noodles, biscuits, cakes, meat pie and potato flour. From Bewadze, the president and his team visited Gomoa Onyadze, where he inaugurated a 20-megawatt solar farm that belongs to May Energy. The farm has 6,400 solar panels. The project is part of government's vision of ensuring that 10% of the country's energy generation is derived from renewable energy. The president enumerated his vision for the energy sector.
We want to get to a situation here in Ghana whereby these solar panels are produced domestically. And they can be done within the confines of the One District, One Factory initiative. The One District, One Factory initiative policy is providing a whole package of incentives for those who participate in it, exemptions from import duty for machinery, tax holidays for corporate income tax. This is all a package of measures to encourage people to come in on the 1B, 1F. And that is what our attitude is going to be.
The president later attended a durbar of chiefs and people of Apam, where he interacted with the people to know their challenges and to afford government the platform to explain its policies and projects. The Mahen of Gomoa Achempem traditional area, Obrefo Ahoneku Aho and Kobia, thanked the president for the factories in the region and commended him for the free SHS and other initiatives aimed at transforming the economy. The Mahen of Gomoa Ejumako, Obrempon Nyanfo Krampa, also praised government for the intervention so far. He called on all private companies in the country to contribute 5% of their annual profit in support of the free SHS initiative. The president, Nana Akufo-Addo, reiterated his resolve to continue with all the initiatives such as the free SHS, the double track system and others, since he has the support of the chiefs and people.